Today we are going to discuss about Unit 1, Introduction to Online Market. So the first topic we are going to cover about the online market space. So nowadays, how the online market space is occupied in online digital platforms and digital marketing. So online marketplaces are digital platforms where sellers can list their products for selling, and then also not only the selling the products and also the giving the services to the buyers. For example, Amazon, eBay, Twitter, and then Quicker.com. These are the examples of online market space. So the main objective of these online market space corporate companies, that is increasing their brand recognition in the marketplace, selling anything on the market because of ensure the availability, and then either a good services. So not only selling their product, it is also they are also giving the services and also supporting their product and provide client services through the market. So these are the marketplaces nowadays available. So the next one we are going to discuss about the how the online market space is differ from the traditional market space. So the first compare with the how the reach to the consumer or customer compare with the traditional and online marketplace. The local or regional audience only we can cover when you are implementing the traditional market space, but we can reach the customers globally, allowing the business to access a larger audience. So, and accessible. The second one is accessible. How can the accessible is possible compared with the traditional and online marketing? So the traditional marketing we can access only the limited operating hours, and then online market space we can providing the customer with the convenience of browsing and making purchases at any time. That is a 24/7. We can purchasing the any goods in online in 24/7. So the availability is ensuring all the time in online, while the customer going to purchasing through the internet. So the next one is a lower overheads cost. So the traditional marketing, we need some physical stores and utilities and maintenance. These are the expenses are high, but no need to the maintenance and also the physical stores compare with the online market space. So the physical stores and utilization no need, and the maintenance expenses also is compared with the traditional marketing. This online market is very low, and also the lower barrier to entry. How the comparison between the traditional market and the online market space. So the lower barrier to traditional marketing, it requires more physical resources and allows for less flexibility in scaling operations. So very risky at the entry level, because of when you are going to start the traditional marketing and selling their product, the entry level is very risky. Okay, and then how the market it will be developed, how the brand it will be exposed, that is also is very risky in starting level, and compare with the online market is very easy. So starting a business in the online market space often has a lower barrier entry, as it requires fewer physical resources and allows for more flexibility in scaling operations. Because of nowadays the lot of mobile application is available and website is there. So using the affiliated marketing and then influencer marketing, these are all the marketing channels. We can use these different type of channels and we can easily catch the customers through the mobile application and websites. And then targeted marketing. Compare with the traditional and online marketing, how the target are fixed and how the target are achieved. So relies on the broader marketing methods unknown customer. And then compare with the online, reaching specific customer segments through the data driven approaches. Because of each and everything, every data it will be stored in databases while you are purchasing the customer in online. So the next one, significant market space. So while we are purchasing the product on online, so what are the things we are going to face and what are the things we are going to implement. These are the things we are going to discuss. So the first one is the buyers. Buyers, we are asked the buyers, for example, clients and purchasers. These are all the buyers. And sellers. Sellers most probably consumers, that is a corporate companies and also agents like that. And intermediators. Intermediators are only middleman. So the middleman always between the consumers and clients. And products. Products is a digital goods because of we are not physically we are not showing the product. Everything it will be showing is the digital content. So the product is a digital goods. So after purchasing the what you are purchasing the corresponding digital goods, it will be you can receive through the some couriers or like that. And then backend. So what is the backend processing while we are purchasing the product in online? Packing, payment processing, and sourcing suppliers, inventory management, and delivery. So these are the backend process while we are purchasing the online. And then front end. So what is a front end? Front end we have before we are going to purchase, we can use any one cart. For example, Flipkart like that. So shopping cart, electronic catalogs, a seller portal, a payment gateway, and a search engine. These are all the front end. So using the front end, we can purchasing. While we are purchasing or after purchasing, the progress it will be data it will be stored in the backend. And then supported services. So after purchasing, they give some services. Not only they're selling the product, they give the services also. How the services is ensured? Through the certification and trust services, and they give the some guarantee and warranty and security for their purchased product. So next one is a type of online marketing space. There are different type of marketing, online marketing space is there. So nowadays we are using the lot of types of online marketing space. So the first one is the e-commerce marketplace. That is an online store, for example, Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba. These are the e-commerce marketplace. Nowadays, most of the peoples they are like to accessing and purchase the product through this e-commerce marketplace. And also the business to consumer B2C platforms. So this is the one of the type of selling their product, but it will be different. Directly sell their product or services to the individual consumers, not directly to the buyers. It will be directly sells their product and give the services to the individual consumers. For example, ASOS or V.S.B.E.C. And then third one is a consumer to consumer, C2C platforms. Consumers to sell products or services directly to other consumers. That is a consumer to consumer. For example, eBay. And then peer-to-peer, P2P platforms. So connected individuals who are looking to share or exchange resources. For example, Airbnb and Uber, these are all the peer-to-peer. So we can, what they are like to purchase the product, they are directly go and see the product and then purchase. This is a peer-to-peer platform. And then online classifieds. So individual or business can post a classified advertisement to sell their product. This is the, for example, the intermediate and also some of the things we are going to sell their product or house or whatever the land or whatever the things. For example, the two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So like that, they are going to sell or use already used things through the online. So this also is possible through the online classifieds. For best example is a OLX and Geometry. So the next one is online AdSense. So individual or businesses to participate in bidding process to buy or sell product. For example, eBay and BitSquare. So these are the things and continues the next slide. The type of the online marketing space, software as a services marketplace. So most probably this platform is only used for the software managers and software companies. They are willing to purchase the software. For example, the Salesforce App Exchange and the Sophie App Store. So these are the things example for purchasing their product, that is licensed software using the software as a service marketplaces. So the next one is the digital content platforms. So more distribution and monetization of digital content. So using these platforms, they are selling or purchasing the ebooks, music, movies, and online courses. A lot of things we are going to use or purchasing or give the some solutions to the digital content platforms. So the next one, service marketplace. So individual or business with service providers across various industries. So we can give the some services to the already purchased product. So like that, the service at marketplace also they have some Upwork and Fiverr and Task Rabbit. So these are the example for service marketplaces. And then finally, we are going to see the types of online market space. It's a subscription based platforms offer access to products or services on a recurring payment basis. For example, the Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Prime. So these are the best platforms for subscription. So using this subscription, we can watch the movies or web series or lot of the things. So these are the type of online market space. Thank you.